Hi, Ron Benning here with the Sacramento Duplex Market Update for the period ending May of 2025. In this video, we will look at the key developing market trends and what the target break-even GRM is for a Sacramento duplex in June of 2025. Developing trends leave evidence. Watch to the end to see what is likely to happen soon. May 2025 was a neutral market for duplexes in the Sacramento area. We currently have a 5.5 month supply of duplexes on the market. The number of active listings is up 17% compared to last month, but more importantly, it's up 89.7% compared to last year at this time. At the same time, sales decreased by 45.9% compared to last month and about 31% lower than last year at this time. This has the duplex market inching very close to a buyer's market for the first time in a couple of years. The average days on the market has been trending up, reaching 33 days in May, which is a 37.5% increase from last month and about 32% higher than last year at this time. But despite this, duplexes are still selling for about 98% of the original asking price, which translates to a buyer bargaining power of 2%. So despite the growing inventory, properly priced duplexes are still selling on average within about $10,000 of the list price. Properly priced is the key word. I'll come back to that a little bit later. Pending sales were up 16.1% compared to last month, but still down 14.3% compared to last year at this time. As you can see, mortgage rates have remained relatively stable recently, and while slightly better than they were at the peak, they're still a major factor in duplex affordability. Keep in mind the rate for a duplex is about 0.5% higher than the prevailing rate for houses. You should talk to a mortgage professional to get a more precise rate with an APR. These slightly improved rates make duplex cash flow marginally better, but assuming 25% down, it still takes a GRM of about 12.07 to break even, which means there are still very few duplexes that truly break even with 25% down. To see what the actual GRM was for closed duplexes in May, look down below the video for a link. This will give you a more realistic idea of what you should expect to pay or sell your duplex for. If you're enjoying this analysis and you're not already subscribed to this channel, please subscribe now so that I can continue to keep you informed about investing in the Sacramento area. So what's likely to happen over the next months or two? Interest rates will still be the primary driver of the investment market, but with a growing inventory and declining sales, I'd say the market will likely move to a buyer's market over the next 30 to 60 days. For potential sellers, if you want a rent analysis or an update on your property's value, call me or check the description down below for more information. For buyers, right now we have the best selection of duplexes that we've had for a couple of years. I have time to work closely with 2 or 3 more buyers this month to really help you analyze and make offers that will make sense in our current market. If that sounds good to you, let's talk ASAP. You can reach me at 916-730-3846. If you're not already getting my GRM reports and an MLS feed, look down below in the description for a link to get started. Whether you're thinking of buying or selling in the next 7 days or 7 months, feel free to give me a call or a text so that I can help you plan a smooth purchase or sale transaction.